If you're looking to bring all of those unused vegetables to good use, nutrition educator Lynn Matava has the perfect summer pasta salad for you. Check it out.
What I love about this time of year is the availability of so much fresh produce. And one thing that we might run into is that we have so much of it, we're not sure what to do with all of it. So I'm going to show you a really quick thing that you can do to throw together for a quick evening meal, great for packing lunches, and that is a roasted vegetable pasta salad. So what I'm going to do is just start chopping up some vegetables. The coolest thing about this is that it doesn't have any hard rules as to what kind you can use. It's basically what you have fresh and available. I happen to have zucchini, some yellow squash, some mushrooms, tomatoes, and onions here today. This would be really great if you added in something like peppers or eggplant, anything. You could even throw in some roasted root vegetables. The basic idea is whatever you have, you're just going to kind of chop them and throw them on a pan. Sheet pan cooking is super simple. It's kind of like one pot, but instead of a pot, you have a pan, so you don't have a lot to clean up after. Not a lot of fuss, not a lot of mess, which I think summertime eating is one of those things that we can make meals that are delicious and easy and not too much time spent in them with all the extra food prep, because the ingredients just really shine. And of course we want to eat as many fruits and vegetables as possible because they're the healthiest foods for us. So it's just really a great time of year for food, and then you can make your easy meals and get outdoors and go do fun, active things. And then all you gotta do is sprinkle with a little bit of salt if you like, or your favorite seasoning, a little bit of pepper, and then I'm going to drizzle with just a little bit of olive oil. It really doesn't need a ton. We just kind of want to give it a little flavor and keep it from sticking to the pan. And stir it to combine and make sure it's all coated a little. And then this goes into a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I've got one here that I started already. See, those vegetables have cooked down a little, gotten a little color. And then I've got a bowl of pasta. You can use any kind of pasta you want. Whole grain pasta is always great if you can find it. I used some orzo today. I'm going to pre-cook that. And then we're just going to add those vegetables in. Especially if you let your orzo get cold. This is pretty well coated and the pasta is nice and glossy. Just gonna add just a teeny bit more olive oil, not much. I probably put about another teaspoon in there. And then we're going to chop up some fresh basil. You could use whatever herb you like. Some chives would be good in here. I just love tomatoes and basil in the summer though. bit of Parmesan cheese. Again, that's optional. Fresh mozzarella would be good in here. And then throw a little basil on top. And that's a beautiful dish that you could show up to a picnic with. It's great for packing for lunches. You could throw a little extra protein in there if you wanted and have it for meals throughout the week, or it's a wonderful side dish. So it's easy, it's quick, and I hope you enjoy.